channel, and this is Gloria, and today's video is going to be about Amazon Pantry haul. It's too heavy. Oh my god. Oh, it's too heavy. Yeah. So let's get started with the video. So the first product which I'm going to show you is this one, Tide. So an actual price is here 634 rupees, and they gave 120 rupees off, and it's a 514 rupees, and again they gave me the offer. Total price is 368 rupees for 6 kgs of Tide. It's so heavy. Oh my god. And second product which I'm going to show you is Surf Excel Magic. So yeah, Surf Excel Magic, and it is for 2 kg. Yes, this is 2 kg product, and I got this for 275 rupees. The original price is, I'm sorry, I'll tell you, the original price is 420 rupees, and I got this for 275 rupees. And what I'll do, I'll mix with Tide plus Surf Excel both together, 1 kg Tide plus 1 kg Surf Excel both together, so that I can use. So that's what I do. So that's what I got this. The next product which I'm going to show you is this Comfort Fabric Conditioner. So I think they have a pink color and blue color. I have tried already pink. That is also so good, and I like blue color. I have already tried this blue color, and both are good, but compared to pink color, and I like this blue color one because the fragrance is so fresh. You feel like so fresh after you used this Comfort Fabric clothes. After you wear that, you feel so fresh, and it stays at least for 3 to 4 hours, that smell. So that's what I feel like, and I seriously like that. And this is originally priced at 205, and I got this for 187 rupees. Now, so this is how it looks, and the smell of this is so fresh and amazing. Wow, I liked it. And the next product which I'm going to show you is this Lifebuoy Boosting Hand Sanitizer. Kills 99.9% germs, and this is for 30 ml of product. It is very small, handy, because I always carry this hand sanitizer in my bag, so I want a small one to carry in my pouch, so that's why I got this. And this comes for the originally priced it 35 rupees something, and I got this for 22 rupees. Yeah, I got this for 22 rupees. Very small, handy, and I seriously like it. And the next product which I'm going to show you is Dove Advanced Hair Series Regenerative Repair for extremely damaged hair. Eliminate signs of damage for strong and healthy hair with Red Algae Complex shampoo. So this is how it looks, and I didn't try it, and actually I heard reviews about this product, so that's why I want to try it. So that's what I got this product, and this is for 250 rupees, and I think I actually got for 180 rupees. Yes, 187 rupees. I got this for 187 rupees. So the next product which I'm going to show you is this Pantene Pro V oil replacement, and I heard so many reviews about this product, so that's what I want to try it for my dry and frizzy hair. So let's see how it works. And this is originally priced at 150 rupees for 180 ml of product, and I got this for just 100 rupees. Everything I'll link it down in the description box. I'm so happy about this because I just got it for 100 rupees. So the next product which I'm going to show you is Maybelline Lips SPF 20 Lip Balm. So this is originally priced at 175 rupees, and I got this for 113 rupees. This is a watermelon smooth. The fragrance is a watermelon smooth. So yeah, the next product which I'm going to show you is this chips. This is Bingo Potato Chili Sprinkles, and I think I got 2. Yes, I got 2 chips, And this is originally priced at 10 rupees and I got it for 7 rupees each. Everything I'll link it down in the description box, guys. And the next product which I'm going to show you is this Bingo potato chips. I think, yeah, this is also Bingo potato chips. Yes. I think, no, this is chili sprinkle and this is salt sprinkle. Yeah, this is chili sprinkle and this is salt sprinkle. And this is also chili sprinkle. I got 3. And I got little hearts. And I used to eat, when I was childhood, I used to eat so much of these little hearts. So just I want to buy it. And this is originally priced at 10 rupees and I got this for 8 rupees. The next product which I'm going to show you is 2 Yum Minty Masala Veg Sticks. And yes, I want to try this, guys, so that's why so actually I'm very diet girl, so I don't eat any fat contents, and I don't eat junky food. I don't eat any that kind of fatty food. So this time when I feel like hungry, when I feel like to eat something, I want to cheat my food. So that's why I want to eat this. So this is Minty Masala Veg Sticks. This is for 10 rupees and I got it for 8 rupees. 2 Yum. And next thing is, this is also 2 Yum Minty Masala Veg Sticks and I got it too. And this is also for 10 rupees and I got this for 9 rupees. And next is tartar salt. Yeah. Next is tartar salt. I love tartar. I love to use tartar salt from so many years. I think my mother, my grandmother used to use only tartar salt, so that's why I got this. And this is originally priced at 20 rupees and I just got for 15 rupees. I got 2 packets. And yeah, and the last product is this bourbon biscuits, and this is for 10 rupees and I got this for 18 rupees. And yeah, that's all about this, guys. And this is empty. The pie is empty. Yes, empty. Yeah, that's all. I never tried Amazon Pantry haul. This is the first time I'm trying. I want to know how it is and how the prices are, and I want to give you a review about this. And this is totally cheap, not totally cheap, and you don't get any discounts anywhere place. And if you go to supermarkets and if you go to Big Bazaar also, you don't get this type of offers, like especially for detergents. And I seriously like it. I didn't try dals, rice and all. I will try once and I'll give you a review about this. And this is the best to buy all these pantries from Amazon, and it is seriously worth. I think my total bill is, I don't know, actually didn't mention here. And I think I saved 500 to 600 rupees in this. That's what I want to do it. And yeah, I seriously liked it. And that's all about this, guys. And if you want to buy Amazon Pantry, if you want to buy an Amazon Pantry, definitely you can give it a try and see how it is working for you. And yeah, that's all about this, guys. And if you like my video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Until then, ta-ta.